Hello everybody, and welcome to another unboxing video by Trendi Switch. Today here we have the ART-SS2 in the color moss green. Alright, let's grab our scissors and let's open it on up. Okay, inside each box you'll get your product, you'll get a set of screws which will be able to fit any universal pattress box. And you'll also get a set of instructions, which I'll show you in a second. But first, let's just take a look at the product. Okay, we'll start by giving you a 360 view. Okay, and then we'll remove the plate for installation. Nice and simple, grab at the edges with your fingers, and then just push forward with your palm, just like that. And it comes off nice and easy, just like that. Also, these plates are interchangeable, so if you get tired of your color or you want to switch it around, you can purchase the plate separately. Just make sure you buy the corresponding one. Okay, on the side here are our screw holes. That's where you're going to put your provided screws through to fasten to your pattress box. Okay, let's flip it on over. You'll notice at the top here that it has the British standards, or BS for short. So you can buy this product with peace of mind. It also has 3 terminal hole screws here on the back. This is a two-way light switch, so you can control your light from 2 separate locations with this one. These are interchangeable, so if you need an intermediate one later, because you need to control it from 3 separate locations, you can just pop this one out, put the intermediate in there into the grooves. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there. There's little grooves. So you take it out, put those in, and then wire it up, and then you're good to go. Okay, let's flip it around, put our plate back on, just like that. And then let's take a look at that instructional leaflet I was talking about. Okay, on the one side here, you have a whole bunch of different social media platforms. So if you head on over to any one of those, give us a like or a follow, that would be greatly appreciated. Flipping it on over, you have multiple ways that you can contact us, either by phone number, email, or live messenger. There's also a Scan Me QR code in the bottom right-hand corner here, which if you scan that, it'll take you directly to our instructional page, which will give you tips and tricks on how to install our products. Okay, and finally, let's just take a look at the bag that it comes in. Okay, on the back here is our product code, the ART-SS2 in the color moss green. In the center here is our barcode, and in the top left-hand corner you have another Scan Me QR code. If you scan that, it'll take you directly to our Trendi website. You can see our full range of products there. And finally, flipping it on over, you'll notice the recycling symbol in the bottom right-hand corner here. So you know that this packaging that it comes in is completely recyclable. All right, there you have it. If you like videos like that, please make sure you're subscribed and the bell notification is turned on so you can stay up to date with everything trendy. Leave us a like and a comment down below as what you'd like us to do next. All right, thanks for watching and have a trendy day.